The debrief allows one to generate new data through a discussion with the participant. If the participant had problems which were unresolved throughout the test session, the debrief provides the chance to explore the problem by going back and discussing the scenario which was unsuccessful. Going back and recreating the situation, and then asking the participant to describe the moments of confusion can lead to new insights about what went wrong during the task assignment. Participants can try to redo failed steps, which will focus the analysis to the problem areas within the design. In addition, the debrief is also a chance to ask specific, prepared questions about the product. Examples can include: what is your opinion of the product? Is there anything you think could be made better? What is your favorite aspect of this product? And would you use this product? The next phase of the process involves a review and assessment of the notes you have made during the test session. During the test, you'll have made notes on data such as whether the participant was successful at the different points within the assigned tasks and what errors were made. There is a lot of data to go through, so patterns need to be identified which can summarize the significance of the data. Numerical data will be easy to understand, as it is easy to benchmark and compare such data. However, qualitative data is a bit harder to benchmark, as it deals with unique insights and building up conclusions supported by evidence. Both types of data should be used when working to create a comprehensive and solid design report. The notes made during the test session and the recordings made will help in the review process. Human memory does not capture the sufficient level of details of events, and that is why we need to make notes and to take recordings. As part of the review process, the researcher will need to review the notes and watch and or listen to the recordings. The notes and recordings will cause recall and recognition memory to trigger the thoughts and feelings that were experienced during the test. Further, seeing as though the researcher no longer needs to focus on running the complex test session or on the participant, the researcher will be mentally free to concentrate on the actual analysis of the information. Look for the moments in the recordings where the user had difficulty accomplishing the assigned steps or tasks. Look for the reactions and interpret them. Attempt to understand why these errors occurred. Then rate their importance and the severity. By severity, it is useful to know the level of problem the incident posed so that we may know how to rank the incidents and prioritize them as part of the design report. Finally, after in-depth analysis and review of the usability tests, the researcher will need to write the usability test report. The report will include both the problems that the users encountered as well as the ideas the researcher presents on how to solve those problems. Specifically, the report should include a description of the test, a description of the users, findings and recommendations for a redesign.